Sahr ran his fingers across the dusty cover. He had found the old logbook tucked away in a corner of his shop. It was filled with names and numbers, a record of customers from years past. He smiled, remembering some of the faces he used to see every week. One name caught his eye: Mariatu. She had been a loyal customer, always bringing her phone in for repairs. Sahr realized he hadn't seen her in months. Sahr picked up his mobile phone. He hesitated, wondering if it was too forward to call. But something inside him urged him to reach out. He dialed Mariatu's number, hoping to hear her cheerful voice. The phone rang a few times, and then, to Sahr's relief, Mariatu answered. Sahr listened intently, his heart sinking as Mariatu spoke. He remembered her laughter filling his shop. He knew how much her family meant to her. Without hesitation, Sahr offered to help. He promised to fix her phone free of charge. A wave of relief washed over Mariatu. She thanked Sahr profusely. True to her word, Mariatu came to Sahr's shop. She greeted him with a warm hug. Sahr took her old phone and got to work. He repaired the damaged parts. As he worked, Mariatu told him about her struggles. Sahr listened patiently, offering support. It wasn't just about fixing a phone. It was about restoring a lifeline. When Sahr finished the repair, he presented the phone to Mariatu with a smile. She was overjoyed. She could finally call her children and grandchildren again. Sahr waved away her thanks. The joy on Mariatu's face was all the reward he needed. He knew that sometimes the smallest gestures could have the biggest impact. Inspired by the positive impact he had on Mariatu, Sahr decided to continue reaching out to others. He dug further into his old logbook, calling long-lost friends and distant relatives. He rekindled old connections and strengthened existing ones. With each phone call, he discovered the power of a simple check-in. It was a reminder that even the smallest acts of kindness can create ripples of positivity. Sahr's story is a testament to the power of human connection.